So our Swiss franc JPY. So before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like I always say, and like, share. Even if you comment if you want, by the way, please subscribe. So now we can see our Swiss franc JPY, our Swiss franc going bullish, by the way. We saw, first day, second, third. About yesterday, we actually had a bullish move, and guess what? We are having another bullish move, which has broken above this our green line. Now I want to go back to watch my previous video, which I did weekly analysis on our JPY, PS, back card JPY, Swiss franc JPY, pound JPY. I predicted that we will be having a bullish move, by the way, and probably it is our, this is my line that I've just marked before we can actually continue going bullish, or probably a drop. But one thing that I'm seeing, that I've seen my price movement for today, I've seen a breakout. We've seen a breakout of this above area here, and guess what? We are moving. We are still going bullish move because our JPY is actually dropping. By the way, there is no major news that can actually make us to change the direction of our prediction movements on our JPY, because our JPY is dropping. Any pair relating to it should actually be going up, should actually be pushing up. That is exactly what I'm seeing on the trade. Based on our technical analysis, we are going bullish for today, and we can see we've gotten a breakout. Let's continue to go bullish at least 100 plus points. That is about 130 plus pips to grab between today and tomorrow. I'm seeing a major bullish move on our Swiss franc JPY on my daily time frame. On my 4-hour time frame, same thing. You can see it, a little bit of movement upward, because now market has not opened. We are still this markets, we are still on, I think, sorry, let me see it. See Tokyo section, we are still JPY section. So in the London section, at least our price should be able to give us a good move, and our New York section, our price should be able to give us at least a good move. But now we are still seeing a little bit of movement upward. So I mean, Swiss franc going bullish against our JPY. Our JPY is actually falling. Let's break above this key area here, then break above this key area here, then it's this area here, and we opt out to take our profits. That should give us about 100 plus pips to grab for today. So today movement, I am going bullish on my Swiss franc JPY. That's exactly what it is. And 1 hour time frame, see, we see this bullish move, we saw this retracement, we've gotten retracement, we see this bullish move. I will advise you get a retracement whereby our price falls down about 20 pips, then you can actually not take your buy position straight upward, which is actually good. By the way, that's exactly what I am planning to trade. So thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.